Hello everyone! In the Waffle Flower Sneak Peek Club Kit number 2, you will find the Oversized Friend Die, Sub-Sentiment Friend and Family Die Cut Sheet, Best Friend Die, Paw Print Stencil Duo, bonus sentiments, and a sheet of black foam strips. The black foam strips have the same configuration as the white foam strips. Your sample sheet should either be 1/8 of an inch or 1/16 of an inch. Both thicknesses will be available in our next release on March 5th. In today's video, we are going to share a few ideas by our design team member, Galina. First is to use the Best Friend die. This set contains many dog silhouettes to make the focal point of your card. Starting with a piece of white cardstock trimmed to 3 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches, Galina draws a line about 1/3 from the top along the short edge to be her guide. She picked these 3 dog silhouette dies to make the focal point of her card. Remember to tape your dies down so they don't shift during die cutting. Place the top cutting plate along the edge of your pencil line and run the sandwich through your die cut machine. Trim along your pencil line to separate the dog panel from the background. Galina used a piece of pattern paper to add contrast to her card. You can create your own background if you want. This is to add color to your card. You can use the dog panel to bring attention to the sentiments, or use it like Galina did to enhance the edge design. Our new black foam strips are perfect for black sentiment strips like these. The sub-sentiment, "You're an Amazing," is from our new Friends and Family die cut sheet, included in this kit. Galina die cuts the print version of Oversized Friend word die from gold glitter cardstock and adds jewels for an extra shine. Simple and effective, isn't it? The next 2 cards are made together. Starting with a piece of black glitter cardstock trimmed to 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches, Galina places the dog dies from the Best Friend die set randomly to die cut her own background. One great tip is to run a black marker along the edge of the black cardstock so no white edges are shown. She then ink blends a multicolored background for contrast. You can use a piece of pattern paper if you want. With the help of some black foam strips, you are sure to achieve a polished look. The matte layer of the Friend word die is included in this set. Galina cuts it from a piece of vellum to help make her sentiment stand out more from the background. Galina used all of her leftover cutouts of the dogs on the second card and finished it with the sentiment in gold cardstock. We love this simple way to mass-produce cards. Hope you enjoy this video and will have hours of fun with the Club Kit number 2.